I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build an Elementor header. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Elementor theme builder. From there, you will select the option to add a new header template. This initial step is vital for establishing the foundation of your site's top section. We will then proceed to design and customize it to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic and functional needs, ensuring a seamless user experience. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and find the Elementor menu, then click on Templates and Theme Builder. Here, you will choose to add New and select Header as your template type. Give your new header a clear, memorable name. After creating it, remember to set the display conditions. You can choose to apply it to your entire website, specific pages, or even exclude certain areas, giving you full control over its visibility. Now for the creative part, designing your header. Utilize Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to add essential widgets such as your site logo, a navigation menu, and perhaps a search icon. You have complete control over styling. Adjust colors, fonts, padding, and margins to match your brand. Crucially, always check the responsiveness across desktop, tablet, and mobile views to guarantee a flawless appearance on every screen size, providing an optimal user experience. To elevate your header, consider implementing advanced features. A sticky header, for instance, remains fixed at the top of the screen as users scroll, enhancing navigation. You can also add subtle motion effects, such as entrance animations or scrolling effects, to make your header more dynamic and engaging. Remember to optimize all images and keep your code clean to ensure your header loads quickly, contributing to an excellent overall website performance and user satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.